Hi everyone! Do you like bok choy? We love bok choy. We eat bok choy all the time and stir fry them or make soup with them. Today I'm going to make bok choy with mushrooms. Mushrooms really give the umami flavor and make this dish very flavorful. And also it's very easy to make. It takes minutes to make this. And it looks great. You will see in the end. Let's get started. I have about 5 ounces of bella mushrooms. You can use button mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, and just cut the ends off, slice it like that. That's all mushrooms. I have about half a pound bok choy. I already washed them. Now we just need to slice. Like a bigger piece, we can slice 1, 4 pieces and put into water again. You know why? Because in between the leaves they may have sand. You may not see them, but it won't be pleasant to bite on the sand. Last piece, so I'm going to wash them 2 to 3 times. We also need to make a slurry with a teaspoon potato starch, or you can use corn starch. Just add some water. Got it. Mix well. We're going to use this to thicken our sauce. And we need the minced garlic, chopped green onions, just white part. Now we are ready to cook. We just need to add a pinch of salt and drops of oil, so this way we'll have super green color for the bok choy. Now we add our bok choy. Yes, we're going to boil bok choy. Let it cook about 1 minute or to your own liking. After about a minute, our bok choy is ready. Take them out. Beautiful color. Now I'm heating up the pan to medium-high heat. Add some oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use any vegetable oil. And now we add our garlic, minced garlic, white part green onion, about 10 seconds. Add mushroom. Stir. Add a little bit salt, followed by light soy sauce, oyster sauce. Thank you.
You're welcome.
For helping.
Ah, that smells so good with the garlic.
Now add some water. Let this cook about a few minutes. After a few minutes, our mushrooms have softened. Now we add our slurry. Thicken the sauce. This is our mushroom sauce. Now we're ready to plate our dish. First we're going to line up our bok choy in a circle. We can flour those pieces, so we can put it in the middle. Please try to make it so simple, so delicious, and you can impress your family and friends with this kind of pretty dish. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.